Blast away dust from window blinds, keyboards and electronics and so much more. Lightweight, compact and durable ABS plastic, the same that football helmets use. Housing design. Powerful and energy efficient 3/4 HP brush motor, low 4.5 amps draw with 90 CFM airflow, 2-speed settings, 10 FT, power cord ampersand 8 nozzle attachments for different applications. Thermal protection, ETL/Settle safety certified ampersand 1-year limited warranty. For more informations, check out the description under the video. All steel construction, 500 watt motor, 0.75 HP, 120 volt, 4.5 amps, 70 CFM airflow, weights 2.75 lbs. Packaging, plain remailer carton, includes air pinpointer, air concentrator nozzle, air flare nozzle and micro cleaning toolkit. 12 FT power cord, more effective than canned air. More economical than canned air, and safer than canned air. For more informations, check out the description under the video. High pressure. Our EasyGo CompuCleaner 2.0 blows immediate and continuous high pressure air to clean dust, debris and dirt away from any electronic device in your home or office. With a momentary switch to hold and press for power, it automatically turns off when the button is released. Multi-use. An alternative to compressed air gas, the CompuCleaner 2.0 can be used for any of your expensive electronic devices, such as your computer keyboard, laptop, copy machine, medical equipment, camera, etc., and may reduce costly repairs and service calls. Strong and effective. This electric air duster has a powerful 500 watts using 4.0 amps of electricity and gives an airflow of 70 CFM, much more efficient than compressed air products. Our computer blower runs from 120 V electricity. Lightweight and easy to use, having an extra long 9-foot cord and with a weight of only 1.8 pounds. Our CompuCleaner 2.0 is easy to use and allows you to maneuver around easily. Attachments allow multiple items to be cleaned and help with those hard to reach places. For more informations, check out the description under the video. Specifications for this item. Brand name, DataVac 07373822976161. Part number, ED500 ESDUPC. For more informations, check out the description under the video. Powerful suction. Rechargeable vacuum cleaner with 2000 mAh battery provides powerful suction, cleaning dust, hairs, crumbs, scraps for laptop, mechanical keyboard, piano, makeup bag, car, pet house. Cordless and rechargeable. Cordless keyboard cleaner with rechargeable battery. Be free to use it everywhere after 200 minutes charging. Vacuum nozzles. 2 different vacuum nozzles allow you to reach the tightest spaces. Flat nozzle can inhale little pieces of paper while brush nozzle can dry ash and dust filter media. Providing effective filter system, you can just open the dust collector and take the filter net out. And the filter media can be washed clean with fresh water, then be reused. Portable handheld size. The keyboard vacuum is in a small size 8.46 x 5.31 in, enables you to take it anywhere you want to clean up. For more informations, check out the description under the video.